episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of a zenpop.jp box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen for a discount. This is Myojo Shingen Koku Miso, I think. It's in the title. You clicked on it. Alright, so I'm gonna use this one. Takes 340 mils of water, and it makes it a lot easier for me if I can just go ahead and cut the cup open. That's just what I did. Now I'll just drop it all in this one, which is the exact same size cup. See, but it's plastic. I can wash it in the dishwasher. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, so enough of that ridiculousness. So I'm gonna dump the liquid in there. Make a mess? I'm sure I did. Wow, maybe I didn't. Is that the key? 5 minutes. Okay. We're gonna give it a little shove down, a slight shove down. And we're gonna put this on top. And we're gonna put this on top of that. So there we go. Yeah, so what's going on? Oh yeah, they're talking about ending the mask mandate. I don't know. I've gotta seriously say, living in a country where people are gonna have, like, flip their lids over basically putting a paper towel over their face, which at least it's conveniently has ear loops. Man, any country that wants to invade, we're ripe for the picking. We are the most apathetic people in the entire universe. It's disturbing, so. But we can change. There's hope. Yes, we can. I'm losing the feeling that we can do much, honestly. The Facebook group for the Ramen Raider, known as Ramen Junkies, Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider. Oh my God. We've got this rule, and people lose their minds over it. Rule. You don't stick your chopsticks in your bowl of food vertically. Why? Why wouldn't you do that? Well, first off, it offends certain people in Japan and in China, I believe. Is everybody in the group from Japan or China? No, but some are. And it's considered taboo. It's like when the two chopsticks stick up, it looks like funeral incense. It also can be known as something that means you want to, like, kill somebody. So it's just like, it's got these cultural affectations to them that are just like, you know, if you want to be an educated, culturally literate person and we're offering you the info to be one, then just do that. That's the rule in the group. People have just lost their mind. I don't live in Asia. I don't live here. I don't know why I should have to listen to that. That's not fair. It's like, what I do in my own home, it's my own thing. It's like, that's fine. You can sit in your own house surrounded by bowls of food with chopsticks sticking up. Just don't post them in my group, all right? Just don't do that. It's not kind. When I inherited the group, that group was coated. Oh man, there were so many like anti-Asian slurs, racist this and that and the other thing, people getting like hounded. Now the group has those people still, and we got rid of we cleaned it up, and we had a lot of people saying thank you so much. The group is so much better now that you're in here. Those people are still around, but now we get new people, and then they just flip out when they find out they have to follow rules. Well, that's not fair. That's not fair for me. Why should I have to do it? It's so not fair. So, yep, sorry. That's it. You read the rules. The rules change too. And there's one rule that we have Don't irritate the admins. Don't do that. That's a bad idea. Blue Raz Bang. But yeah, today is Wacky Wednesday. This is the day where my daughter doesn't have school and my son has a modified day of school. Instead of getting home at like 4:20, he gets home at 2:45. Oh yeah. So maybe I should talk about that in the next episode. How much time we got left? A half minute. If you have a hard drive and you donate it somewhere, don't just delete the files on it. Go find an app that you can use that will write zeros to the entire drive. So say this space is occupied by this. You know what happens when you delete a file? It puts a little flag up. What does that mean? This space can be occupied by something else other than the data that's already there. That data is still there. You've just put a little flag on it saying, oh, that's empty. So you can use apps to undelete that data. I got a hard drive the other day at a thrift store for $4.50. It was a portable external old school hard drive, right? I plug it in, I run the app, I undelete 100 gigs worth of personal data from this guy. I'm not doing anything with it. I don't know the guy. Yeah, but it just blows my mind in this day and age how freaking sloppy people are with their data. Wow. Freaking tax returns. All pertinent info. Like a, what do you call them? What do they call those people? Identity thieves, wet dream. So if you are getting rid of a machine with a hard drive on it, and I'll tell you one thing too, when I went to college for computer junk, yes? Hi, go run along. When I went to college for computer stuff, a lot of the punks that were in there were all hot on getting gigs at Best Buy and being Best Buy Geek Squad members. Yeah, it sounded kind of appealing. You get to do your, working on computer experience and stuff, and you help people. Great, cool, whatever. They all quit. They all quit. Why? Because they saw the other people there that they were working with doing some pretty heinous stuff dealing with customers. I don't know if this is like I'm sure not everybody at Best Buy is a horrible person. However, people were like getting told, oh, you need to buy this, you need to spend this extra thing, and then you get your hard drive wiped and all this stuff. Let's get you into a new computer. Oh, by the way, you haven't even said which one you want yet. Let's get you into Office. Let's do all this stuff. I know they've changed a lot with their hours structure, so they don't have to like follow you around for 20 minutes and beg you to like bring this piece of paper to the receipt so they can get more hours to work. Boy, that was evil stuff that they did back then. But yeah, and one of the dudes was like, yeah, I couldn't hack it, man. It was horrible because I just saw people going in there, bringing in their equipment, and then you got like 3 or 4 dudes sitting back there looking at all their files and laughing at their pictures. It's just like, God. Not what I expected, although it's pretty good. There's the broth, if you can see that. Oh, there we go. That's what I expected. All right. So, basically, we got like a really, really, really porky one, and it's tasty and it's nummy, and I like it. That's what I'm gonna let you know about that one. So yeah, nice hefty broth. Broth that means business. Aww. See, I'm busy talking to you, but I can't do it all. I can't do it all. Okay. Yeah, my wife just got done with her lunch. I was trying to get this done and talk to her, but I was like, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes. Of course, it takes a little more than 5 minutes to do a 5-minute instant noodle, which seems kind of ridiculous, but come on, sucker, let's catch fire. Then my brother again. He wants. Oh, he wants to talk to me because he's going to bed early these days. Now you know even more. Alright, we got an egg. Egg. Yeah, that's some lovely broth on this one. I'm really excited about it. Quite suitable. Spring onion. Uh-oh. That. I guess I'll put a little bit of black sesame seed. Seems a little silly. I'm in the mood for silk. Just never on the egg itself. Never. Well, we got the peppers in there, but we got some chili oil. Alright. Yeah, rotate.
I know my destiny.
Alright, thanks for watching. This one came for 2 days before Lunar New Year. This is Shulong Kan from China. It's a hot pot sour spicy noodle. You get to see that tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.